Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guarantee RV Supercenters today in Junction City, Oregon. And it's a beautiful day to sell a trailer, as somebody just said to me a little bit ago, and so we're going to do that right now. What we've got is a brand new 2021 Sundance. This is a product built by a company called Heartland. Heartland makes some gorgeous rigs all up and down the spectrum. This is one of their lesser expensive rigs, but it's a very, very nice coach and it's very, very well built. Okay, so now we're inside the 24 Bunkhouse Sundance, and this trailer has got a lot going for it as we look around the interior. I'll start at the back where the bunk beds are. The first thing you'll notice is that these are double-sized bunks, and you could actually fit 4 kids in there if you're getting along. And there's a really good storage area that opens up underneath the bottom bunk. But the other thing about bunk beds, I think, is that they're great storage areas. So even if I don't have a whole bunch of people in this trailer, that's a great place to put my duffels, my tubbies, my fishing poles, my hunting rifles, whatever kind of gear I like. I have a lot of hobbies. I bring a lot of stuff with me when I'm camping for outdoor activities, and it's good to be having a place that you can be organized and keep your stuff. Now, next to that, of course, is our other corner bathroom. And that is a nice design because, you know, trailers with really big bathrooms have nice bathrooms, but they don't have a lot of other spaces. So you don't want to give too much space away to a bathroom when you're trying to be, you know, sort of economical with your design. This trailer's pretty lightweight. It's pretty short in overall length. And a big part of that is because the bathroom is not wasting a lot of space. It's just right. Now, moving forward, we see that we have a large refrigerator freezer. We have an oven with a glass front and a 3-burner stove top and a glass top. So I can fold that top down and it extends my counter space. We have beautiful cabinetry in here with lots of storage and drawers in this galley, and also hidden hinges on the cabinets, which to me always indicates just a little more expense and a little nicer attention to detail. And if you look at the way the cabinets are put together, the face frames are screwed together. They're not stapled together, and that means that they're going to last longer, and it really means that they're made out of better materials, because you can't really make screw holes in particle board. They won't hold up. So this is an indicator of better quality to me. Another thing you'll notice about this inside is this has a nice arched ceiling, and the arched ceiling is it's awesome because it makes the trailer feel so much bigger. And also, if I have a taller person in my family, somebody who's, you know, 6'3" or 6'4", they're going to walk around in here not feeling the need to duck all the time. Okay, now on the other side where the slide out is, this has a horseshoe dining area. And I really like these because, first of all, that means that there's storage all the way around. There's a tremendous amount of storage in a horseshoe dining area. And the other thing is it makes a very large bed. So if I have adult guests and other people, if I want to make this down into a bed, then, you know, a couple of grown-ups can sleep on here, no problem. The other thing that I really like about these, and people often don't think about this, these can just be an open seating area. That table is totally removable. I can set it up and have it be more like a social space, a sectional sofa like in your living room. That, to me, makes this a really comfortable place to be. Now, another thing that's really cool about this design is that this one has a very large TV with the home theater built in. This one has a DVD player, a CD player in it. You'll notice that a lot of coaches now don't have disc players of any kind anymore. They're just kind of expecting you to stream with your phone or Bluetooth or something like that. And this can do all of that stuff. It'll Bluetooth with your phone, but I can still pop a disc in and listen to some music or watch a movie on my big TV screen here. Another thing that I love about this coach is it has the electric fireplace. Now, electric fireplaces are great because, first of all, I can save my propane if I have a campground hookup. And the other thing is they're quiet. They're not noisy like a forced air furnace. They give off a nice ambient heat, and they do make pretty glow lights if you want and make it feel cozy. But the best thing is I can have quiet, peaceful heat in my trailer. And you can heat this whole trailer with that thing, and it works really good. Okay, and then lastly, as we go forward, we have the front bedroom. In this particular model, the partition goes straight up to the foot of the bed, and your access to the bed is on either side. And the reason they do that is that gets about a foot of length out of this trailer. It makes the trailer shorter and more towable and lighter weight. So there's a real value in these partition models where you have sliding doors for privacy, and then they go away and you have access up both sides of the bed. So that's a quick thumbnail look at the 241 Bunkhouse Sundance from Heartland. It's a great trailer. I'm sure you'd love to see it in person. I'd be happy to show it to you or talk to you about it anytime. If you want to give me a call, you can reach me at 541-954-8495. I'm Matt Elliott. You have a nice day.